that's the blender we use. It's helpful because it has a small bottom, so you make sure everything is ground up. So I'll just take our livers and put in the bottom there. And then this is cold perfusion fluid, so it was previously chilled. You want to make sure everything is cold as we can keep it. And we'll just cover to the top of the livers. So now we want to grind them for at least 30 seconds. And after that, you should have a nice liver slushy. So put that on our tube. And then I'll just spray to get everything out of the bottom. After that, we'll go to our pre-chilled centrifuge at 4 degrees. We'll run it for 5 minutes at 1,900 RPM. We could probably cut it here and then we'll... Okay. So now that we've spun down our ground up livers, you'll see this. So I'll go ahead and take that over the sink here. So what we want to do is pour off this top layer, so that's going to be kind of all the fat and stuff you don't want. All the eggs are going to be here at the bottom. So again, we want to have this as cold with our cold perfusion fluid. Just gently dump off the top. And then you'll see there's still some red there, so just gently squirt it with the perfusion fluid. You'll see there's still kind of some chunks coming out. We don't want to dump all the eggs out, so just get as much as you can. You'll see, so there's still some red liver bits over there. Alright, so there we've got our eggs. So now, I'll take that over to hatch. So from this point onward, we use the pond water. So that'll help them to hatch. There's 2 options for this. If you do have a sidearm flask, this one's the best one to use. But if you have just a flask and some aluminum foil, that will work as well. So we'll start by, this is also pond water. We'll just add some pond water in here. And then we'll give it a good shake to loosen up the eggs. And then we'll go on our sidearm flask. Make sure we get everything out. Okay. And now put it on the bottom, and we'll go ahead and fill it up. So we want this to come so the water is all the way up the sidearm. Fill it. And for the last little bit, we'll use our squirt bottle. Just fill it until it reaches the top. And we'll use this direct light, but you can also use just your regular dust lamp, will work as well. And they'll take about 20 to 30 minutes to start hatching. You'll see them all gathered up the top there.